Good morning, distinguished guests, eminent speakers, my partners, and fellow pioneers in the innovation ecosystem. On the behalf of LexDita law firm, it is my absolute honor to welcome all of you to inaugural editions of LegalTech May 2026. We are gathered here in Bengaluru, the Silicon City of India, not just as professionals, but as an architect of new era where law and technology finally speak in the same language. People often ask me, how did this idea of Global Meet arise? The truth is, it started a series of web conferences in the digital space. We decided to taste the water with these 3 web conferences that we done in previously, and the response was nothing short of overwhelming. Our first step was IP and music, feel the beat of IP, where we joined by 60 passionate participants in our first web conference on the day of World Intellectual Property Day. It was our way of planting the flag. Seeing that hunger of knowledge, we moved to AI and innovation, rethink IP, heritage, and health, which saw our community develop by 120 participants. And finally, we hosted Eco IP, protected sustainable innovation in the age of AI. That session is truly eye-opener for us, drawing 220 plus participants from across the globe. It was an incredible momentum. This good response from all of you, that became an inspiration of ours. I choose to learn, turning every lesson into straight, every obstacle that bring into the LegalTech Meet into life. These 400 plus participants showed us that the dialogue is about protecting ideas could not stay behind a computer screen. It need a stage. It need a home. And this is why we are here today. That journey led us our theme of this year, Inventor at the Heart, driving sustainable innovation through IPR. In this hyper-accelerated arena in 21st century, we often get lost in tech and forget the innovator. But we must remember, an innovation without intellectual property is not a breakthrough. It is a donation to your competitor. Our mission today to ensure this revolution does not become someone else's profit. We are here to celebrate the role of inventor in building the inclusive, ethical, and future-ready world. Today is about more than just listening. It's a strategic IP lifecycle management. We have experts over 15 countries ready to drive into AI-assisted innovations, startup challenges, and the frontier of deep tech. So, before we dive into the session, I must acknowledge the pillar of support that made today possible. I'm deeply grateful to Professor Anindya Sarkar sir for his immense guidance and support as a well-wisher. Ms. Gauri Wagmare ma'am, our knowledge partner, who has been immensely supportive of this vision from the start. I also want to mention Ms. Darshi Mankar, a regular in our cyber webinar, could not come here due to some personal reason, but please her support for our future edition as well. And a very specially mention to Professor Dr. Henj Goda sir, Your personal message and the acknowledgement as an old friend that recognize that we are in the correct path. Sir, I am truly honored. I am very fortunate have you with us today. Let's use this day to turn a fragile spark into fortified legacies. The future is not just coming, is being claimed. Now, I am honored to introduce our host. He is joined from Geneva, Switzerland, where he leads the initiative for United People Global across the 113 countries. He is an expert in bridging purpose with the performance. Please join me and welcome Mr. Ramit Bose on the stage. Sir, the stage is yours now.